Teachers, to you and all of our educators across Orange County schools. As we get ready to kick off Teacher Appreciation Week, I want to take this moment to recognize you and express my gratitude for everything you do for our students. You are the primary and most important resource for our students. There is no curriculum or program that can replace what you do each day. The work that you do is not easy. Teaching requires resilience, flexibility, creativity, patience, and long hours that many people do not see. Teachers, I want you to know that we see you and appreciate how dedicated you are to this work, to your schools, to your community, and to each other. Thank you for helping our students realize their potential and for supporting and inspiring them to continue to grow academically and be the best versions of themselves. Your impact and influence reaches beyond the classroom. As we celebrate you this week, I hope you take some time to reflect on the positive impact that you have had on the Orange County Schools community and the difference you make in the lives of our students. It is truly an honor and a privilege to work alongside you to support our students and community. Wishing you all a wonderful Teacher Appreciation Week filled with the recognition and appreciation that you deserve.